पर और इसमें इट्स टोटली चेंज, यू नो. एंड व्हेन यू सी फिजिकली ना एनी आर्टिस्ट पेंटिंग यू लर्न अ लॉट. तो मैंने भी ऐसे ही सीखा, बिकॉज आई वॉज ट्रैवलिंग एंड आई वॉज लुकिंग द ओरिजिनल पेंटिंग्स ऑफ ऑल दोज आर्टिस्ट, यू नो. तो मैं उनके काम एडमायर करता था. तो मैंने व्हेन आई सॉ देयर फिजिकल वर्क देन इट वाज टोटली चेंज. एंड आई हैव सीन मैनी आर्टिस्ट दे आर एडिटिंग देयर पेंटिंग्स बिफोर अपलोडिंग. They are doing Photoshop things in that, you know, they are editing contrast and diffusing things and then they are uploading. But I have seen all the genuine great masters, they all are just clicking and uploading. They are least bothered about, they are about, you know, the output, what they have painted, you know. They have painted, they are happy, that's it. इतना ही होना चाहिए, इससे ज़्यादा की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप अपने आप सीखोगे. When you paint more and more, you will learn more and more. This is my theory, right? So just go and try to sketch. Sketching, making layout is the most important thing, because this is what we all are not doing. We want final output. That is, for me, is secondary. The main thing is the hard work or the planning part. You know, planning is the most important part in painting. See, I planned this, then I painted. What I have to give, why this is so dark and this is so light, how to give, you know, lift the things, how to play with the negative and positive. This is what we have to learn, right? So अगर आप देखो तो सबका गेम है. I captured the light. Why I painted this? Because I was looking this part. I was in Rome 2 months back with my wife, and when I saw this, I've been there many times, but this is a beautiful city center of Rome, right? I tried to capture this. See this light. This is the beauty of this painting. I always try to capture the light, highlights. That's it. We don't need to go into the details, you know. Why? It's basic, very basic. Light is coming from this side, so this side is dark and this side is light. So that is creating a volume and 3-dimensional kind of impact in your painting. That is what every artist wants in their painting, you know. So I painted like that. Everything is geometric. See this? If we see this, everything is soft here, because if I want to show some kind of details here, and if this is my focal point, then anyhow I have to show this part diffuse. तभी तो ये बाहर निकलेगा, क्योंकि ये लाइट है. और डिस्टेंस के लिए एवरी टाइम मे बी यू कैन यूज कोबाल्ट और अल्ट्रामेरिन मैक्सिमम, so that you can see the ultramarine here. Every time ultramarine, and just diffusing things, you know, with the help of spray I'm diffusing it, and it is giving a fantastic impact. But you have to be little fast in that way. If you are making a painting like this, you have to plan how to go about from top to bottom. But how? If I am giving this color, मुझे ये कैसे निकालना है, otherwise it will mix with my background. So you have to plan. Planning is the most important part. अगर ये अभी ऐसा हो रहा है तो let me give this part and this part and then start. Now it is dry, then let me start very fast, and I am showing the light is coming from this side. Anyhow I have to leave this part. I have given this yellowish color my base color, you know, my first tone. So it's a game of 2 or maximum 3 layers. ठीक है, don't exceed that. तो ये यही करना है. और and ये जो कलर है, it's reflecting. See, you can see there I gave this yellow base color, and then again in my second layer I gave this darks, and यहाँ अंदर dark डाल दिया, so that पीछे का diffuse हो जाए, बीच का heavy हो जाए, and आगे का और heavy हो. यही गेम है. We have to think like that. Everything is planning. Here, maybe this is 25 minutes painting, you know, and I just painted. I was doing some kind of experiment with these kind of colors. That time in 2021, I was not using these kind of colors. That time I discovered Persian green, not Persian blue, Persian green or Van Dyke green. So I discovered that color. So I thought that I should add this color in my painting. So I purposely did, and the combination is looking very nice with red violet and Persian green here with ultramarines. It's looking so beautiful. It's like a more impressionist way to paint, you know. And painting is all about impression and expressions, right? It's not about how to make very realistic painting. That is not painting for me. That is good craftsmanship, right? Painting का मतलब ही तब बनता है जब आप सजेस्टिव कर रहे हो, वो एक इम्प्रेशन बना रहे हो उस जगह का, ना कि यू आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू कॉपी द लोकेशन एग्जैक्टली. ओके, इतना डंडा, इतने रिंकल्स, इतनी चीज. ओ माय गॉड, व्हाई वी आर मेकिंग पेंटिंग? इट शुड लुक लाइक अ पेंटिंग. It should not look like a picture. We are not making the reproductions. First of all, we have to understand this. I have seen many people, many artists, they are good craftsmen. What they are doing is, they are taking, okay, click the picture of the sadhu. वो बॉन्डिंग में बैठा हुआ था एक साधु, तो उसका क्लिक किया and they are just making the same. Right. Whatever they are looking, they are just trying to copy each and everything. Then why they are making a painting? I have a better camera. Let's click and take a printout of that or hang it. Why we are doing a painting? It should look like a painting. It should be of painterly quality. That is why Van Gogh, Renoir, Monet, Manet, Cézanne, read these artists. Why they painted that? It was a revolution. You know, that stage was absolutely fantastic, you know. So it's all about impression. So I am more of classical come impressionist. Many artists today in this world, those who are successful, they are impressionist come classical painters. Right? Just trying to capture each and everything, but in their own way. Don't try to see what you are looking everything, and just don't try to copy each and everything. You have to take out the character of that place, definitely. I'm not saying that, I'm not denying that, but at the same time you have to add your own element, you have to add your own essence in your painting. That is important. Not the copying, you're just sitting and you're trying to, you know, copy each and everything. No need of making the reproductions, you know. You have to think of, you know, the composition, and you have to make the composition in your own way. That is important. Right? I hope कि समझ आया. I know that this is basically a practical thing. When you will paint more and more, then you will learn more.
Yes, sir, it feels difficult to understand.
You are in which year right now?
Second year.
Second year.
We just finished first year.
Foundation year.
Yes, sir. So it feels hard to understand.